So there's a lot of argument and comparison that always go around when it comes to CapCut and Premiere Pro and which of the apps should you use for your video editing. The thing is, it all depends on what you need it for or the kind of video editing you want to do. So welcome to the channel. This is my day 3 of posting videos every day. I'm trying to grow my channel by posting videos every day. So if you're new here, please like and follow the page. It will help the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the importance of CapCut and Premiere Pro. Who should use CapCut or who should use Premiere Pro? And we're going to start with CapCut. CapCut is an editing video software that is quite easy. It's actually one of the apps that most people use to edit their videos, especially when it comes to Reels, TikToks, Instagram videos and short form content, because it has a lot of AI tools that kind of help to meet the particular need. And when it comes to creating, let's say, proper videos, I won't say CapCut is like your go-to app. It should be basically just when you want to just create simple videos. The thing with CapCut is the AI system made the whole thing very easy. It's just click and it applies. It's quite fast when you want to work fast, when you want to put out a lot of content. CapCut is something that you should use, and even the one on desktop too is also the same. It's actually almost the same with the one on phone. Very direct, very simple. Like, you can start using CapCut today and know how to use it today for your normal basic editing and your content creation. But when you talk about Premiere Pro is on another level. Like, Premiere Pro is like very difficult because it's an advanced video editing tool, and when you need it for very serious work like music videos, like some people even use it for movies, and I don't think you can use CapCut to edit a movie because it will crash. Like, it's not possible. Premiere Pro has a lot of features built in it, but it has this thing that it's manual. You have to do it manually, unlike CapCut that you just click a button and everything works. And there's one feature about the Premiere Pro that I really like so much, which is the essential sounds. You can actually use it to edit audio, to edit podcast and mix the audio, and it will come out very well. That's one good thing about the Premiere Pro, unlike CapCut where you don't really get room for you to edit audio like that. You can't use CapCut to edit audio, but Premiere Pro has that feature. And when it comes to color grading and color correction, Premiere Pro is like one of the best, like when it comes to that aspect. CapCut, you can't really do a lot with the adjust or filter space. CapCut just has like a couple of filters that you can just put on video and do a little adjustment. But when it comes to like detailed color correction, I think Premiere Pro is one thing that you can actually use because it has a lot of features from it has those lumetri wheels. It has its own section of color grading, which is very perfect. And there's something that Premiere Pro has when it comes to layers. You can have a lot of layers or tracks, as they call it on Premiere Pro, like to edit on those separate tracks, which is very nice. Unlike CapCut that I think you have like options to just have only maybe 7 tracks or so. When it comes to Premiere Pro, I think for me, learning, if you were to pick between the two of these apps, for example, if you just want to edit content, if you are just a content creator and you want to create videos for yourself and let's say just for social media content, when it comes to brand, I would advise you to use CapCut because CapCut will definitely give you everything that you want. If you want to become a professional video editor, if you want to become somebody that is known to be an editor, somebody that will edit movies, somebody that will edit music videos and proper editing, I will advise you to just move to Premiere Pro because Premiere Pro will give you that level of editing tools that you need to put out like the best kind of videos that you're supposed to put out. And there's this other app called DaVinci Resolve. That's basically what they use to edit movies, and it's very good for color grading too, but I think Premiere Pro can also match up with the whole DaVinci Resolve too. And there's another good feature when it comes to Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is an Adobe software, so you can actually link it to your After Effects, Audition, and a lot of things, and even Photoshop. So you can be working on Premiere Pro and link your Photoshop to your Premiere Pro, link your Adobe Audition where you're working on your audio. You can also link your After Effects where you're creating graphics, and everything will probably just sync very well. It has that syncing ecosystem, unlike CapCut that doesn't really have some of those stuff. So if you are somebody that wants to become a video editor, you want to like take video editing serious, like do it as a career, I would advise you to learn how to use Premiere Pro, because when you learn how to use Premiere Pro, you don't even need to learn how to use CapCut. You can just use CapCut right away because you already have the knowledge of editing videos with Premiere Pro. Like for me as a video editor, I started using Premiere Pro, so when I moved to CapCut, it didn't even really stress me because it was basically simple. But if you are used to CapCut, you can't just jump to Premiere Pro to start editing on Premiere Pro. It's not going to work. You will not even understand anything. The interface will be very confusing. So that's just basically one of the things. And if you like this video, please like and follow the page, and I'll probably see you on day 4, and I'm pushing the page to see where this actually gets to. And if you also want to grow your page, you can join the challenge. I'm posting every day, and see you on the next video.